welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, I'm going to be making a breakfast lasagna. So I saw this on TikTok and kahapon nag-unboxing ako ng aking oven. Ayan pa yung box. And sabi ko naman sa inyo, diba, na mag-vlog ako kapag ginagamit ko na yung oven for the first time. So yes, I'm already using it. Pero I forgot to film like the starting process of the breakfast lasagna. Pero I will just show you guys. So, ito yung nakita ko sa TikTok and I'm trying to follow it. Ayan, so, egg, tapos grated cheese. And then, preheat oven to 425 degrees and bake for 12 minutes. Pero, yung sa amin is, yung maximum is 250 degrees lang. So, yun yung ginawa ko. Preheat for 12 minutes. Then, nilagay ko yung mixture ng egg at saka yung cheese. So, after ma-bake nung cheese and egg, lalagyan ko siya ng tomato sauce on top. Tapos, another set of cheese. And then, since wala kaming bacon, I will use corned beef. Ayan. As you can see, nag-rise up na siya. So, after, lalagyan ko siya ng tomato sauce and another cheese again. Tapos, yung corned beef na. Then, we're ready to eat! So, ayan, tapos na po. And, oh my gosh, mainit siya. So, be careful. Now, we are gonna put some tomato sauce. So, tansyahin nyo lang kung gaano kadami yung tomato sauce na ilalagay or gusto nyo. And huwag nyo ubusin yung isang sachet or isang pack ng tomato sauce. Then, now, you're gonna put the grated cheese on top. For me kasi, pag mas maraming cheese, mas masarap. And gusto ko kasi yung super cheesy na feeling. So, ayan. Then, next is, I'm gonna put corned beef since yung nasa video, bacon yon and wala akong bacon. Corned beef lang yung nasa akin. And in fairness sa corned beef na to, super masarap siya. Yung brand is, I think, Argentina. Then, now, we are going to put it in the oven. Then, I'm going to bake it for another 14 minutes. Then, after baking, I'm going to broil it for 1 to 2 minutes. So, while I'm baking, merong nagsusugba dito. Nag-iihaw ng isda. Oh. Super sarap ng breakfast namin today. Ano na di oras? Ay, brunch na di. Ay. It's already 10:31 AM na pala, guys. Wala pa akong breakfast. So, this is going to be our brunch. Brunch lasagna. Luto na ang ating breakfast lasagna. Umuta, uy. I love how it turned out. It looks super cheesy on the outside, and plus this dish, I think it's good for 4 to 6 people kasi yung isang square pa lang mabubusog ka na talaga. Sige, taste test.
Ay, majubukan. Dami kayo, Sky. Super. Talaga kalami. May naging kamuluto, Sky.
Di na scripted, ha? Ikaw, nasadmi, tilawi.
Lamig good siya. Ay, tinutusan niya siya. So, kalami. Lamig? May ganyan mga buwan ba? Lamig! Wow! Pa, mapil ko ka dire. Paano nang tumunaw mo upan ng tumunaw guyong tumunaw pa na. Lamig adyo.
Atik-atik ba ni sila, uy? Hey guys, so for this video, I'm gonna be making a crunchy spam fries requested by Paper Squishy. So first, you're gonna crack an egg and mix it all up. Then get your spam out of the can. I'm using the leftover yesterday. So now, I'm going to cut it into lengthwise or until it looks like fries to you. For the coating, you have to put the spam to the egg and then to the flour until it's well coated. Next, put in the egg mixture once again so that the breadcrumbs will stick to the flour. And now you have to repeat all the process once again until it's done. And it should look something like this. Then now you gotta heat about 4 inches of oil in the frying pan, wait for it to boil, then place fries in hot oil and fry until golden brown. Just wait for it for about 30 to 60 seconds because we don't want it to burn. Now, make sure to put it on a paper towel to get the excess oil out. And for the sauce, I just mix up ketchup and mayonnaise because it tastes so good for me and my mom. So there you have it. This is now the finished product of our crispy spam fries. Enjoy and thank you for watching. Hey subscribers, so I forgot to make an outro for this video, but thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me, comment down below on what you want me to make or bake next. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird. but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I love